Have you ever wondered if there's a secret date, a hidden moment in time, where you can tap into the universe's energy and unlock the flow of abundance? Well, what if I told you that March 28th holds a special power that can change the course of your financial destiny for the entire year? In today's video, we'll dive into an ancient practice that has been used by countless people across different cultures and times to manifest wealth. It's not just about wishing for money, it's about understanding the deeper forces that govern prosperity and knowing how to align yourself with them. You'll discover the hidden significance of this specific date and a simple action that, when performed correctly, can set the stage for a year filled with abundance. Now, here's where it gets intriguing. This isn't a well-known fact, and that's exactly why it works. It's a hidden gem, a practice that not everyone knows about, but those who do have reaped incredible rewards. Whether you're struggling with financial setbacks or just looking to boost your wealth, this method has been proven to work wonders. Stay with me as we reveal how to harness the unique energy of March 28th and why placing a specific item in your bed on this very day can have a profound impact on your finances. You won't believe the results, and trust me, you'll want to try this for yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have all the details you need to perform this ritual correctly, and why doing so could attract money into your life like never before. Whether you believe in the law of attraction or you're simply looking for ways to improve your financial situation, you'll find something here that resonates. Before we jump in, let me welcome you to our channel, your channel name. If you're passionate about the law of attraction, manifestation, and learning powerful rituals for success, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a life-changing video. Now, let's get started, and don't forget to watch till the very end. You won't want to miss this. March 28th holds a powerful, often overlooked energy that can have a lasting effect on your life. This date falls under the zodiac sign Aries, which is governed by Mars, the planet of action, determination, and strength. Aries is a sign known for its fearless pursuit of goals, and March 28th amplifies that energy, making it an ideal time to take bold steps toward your dreams. It's a day that symbolizes new beginnings, where the universe aligns with your drive, encouraging you to take action and make impactful changes. When you set intentions on this day, you're tapping into this potent force. It's not just about wishing for what you want. It's about aligning your actions with the universe's energy by focusing your thoughts and desires on financial abundance, prosperity, or any goal you seek. You're synchronizing your personal power with the universe's support. This practice, when done with intention and faith, can set the tone for the entire year, influencing your circumstances in ways that might surprise you. On March 28th, the universe offers you a unique window to plant the seeds of your desires. Just like how Aries moves quickly to achieve its goals, you too are encouraged to act decisively on this day. It's about more than just making a wish, it's about harnessing the fiery energy of Aries to take actionable steps. Whether you're preparing for the year ahead or just looking for a fresh start, this date gives you the momentum to kickstart the process of manifestation. When you align your intentions with the energy of March 28th, it creates a ripple effect. The actions you take on this day, whether big or small, will carry an amplified force that follows you throughout the year. This isn't just about a one-time ritual. It's about setting up your life for the long haul, ensuring that the seeds of success you plant today grow with purpose and strength. The power of Aries energy isn't fleeting, it stays with you, propelling you toward success with unwavering determination. So March 28th isn't just another day. It's a reminder from the universe that this is your time to act, to plant those desires, and to believe in the long-term impact of what you're doing today. Hiding something under your bed might seem like an unusual practice, but it holds deep symbolic meaning, especially when it comes to manifesting abundance. The act of placing a coin, charm, or symbol of wealth under your bed is about anchoring prosperity into your life. The bed, a space where you rest and recharge, represents renewal, comfort, and subconscious influence. When you hide an object under your bed, you're not just placing it physically, it's a way to root your intentions deep within your subconscious mind. Your bed is where your most vulnerable, restorative moments occur. It's where your thoughts, dreams, and desires can take root while you sleep. By hiding an item under your bed, you're inviting prosperity into your life during this powerful state of rest and renewal. It's a way of ensuring that your goals are nurtured while your mind is at its most receptive. The quiet, still energy of sleep offers the perfect environment for your desires to manifest. The bed is also linked to privacy and protection, a sacred space where you can retreat from the outside world. By placing a symbol of abundance here, you're essentially creating a shield around your wealth intentions. The bed becomes a safe haven for your financial desires, where they can grow and prosper without interference. The symbolism of hiding something under your bed also ties into the idea of keeping your prosperity close to you, protected and nurtured as you sleep, so it can manifest more easily. When you sleep, your subconscious mind is wide open to new ideas, patterns, and beliefs. This is why it's such a powerful space for manifestation. By placing an object under your bed, you are working with your subconscious to ensure that your wealth goals are deeply ingrained in your mind. It's not just about a ritual, it's about setting your mind on a path toward abundance, making the act of hiding something under your bed a key step in manifesting financial success. When choosing what to hide under your bed, simplicity is key. A small coin, for example, serves as a powerful symbol of wealth and abundance. The coin's round shape signifies the flow of money, and its hidden placement aligns it with the unseen forces of prosperity working in your favor. You could also write a small note with a clear financial intention, such as "abundance flows freely into my life," and place it under the bed, sending a direct message to your subconscious mind. Alternatively, a prosperity charm or crystal, like a citrine or a jade stone, is another great object to hide. These items are associated with wealth and success, and by placing them under your bed, you're creating a subtle but effective anchor for prosperity to flow into your life. Belief is the most important factor in any manifestation practice. The law of attraction operates on the principle that your thoughts and feelings attract similar energies. If you truly believe in the power of this ritual, the energy you send out will align with the wealth and abundance you're seeking. Trust in the process is essential. Doubt and negativity can block the flow of prosperity. Stay positive and focused on the belief that abundance is already on its way to you. Keep your mindset open and trust that the universe is working in your favor. By performing this ritual on March 28th, you're setting the stage for a year of financial abundance and success. The energy of this day, combined with your intentions, can truly shape your financial future. I encourage you to try it out and see the results for yourself. Share your experiences with us in the comments below, and let us know how this ritual has impacted your life.